how to hide all apps on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me continue with the video. So for you to hide the apps that are not default in your phone or in your iPhone, you will have to go into settings and toggle the screen time options. So all you have to do is go into settings, then screen time, and then over here you will have to go down and go into the section which is called content and privacy restrictions. And once you're here, you will have to enable it. And once you enable this, you can go ahead and click on content restrictions, which is the third option. And once you're here, you can click on the apps option, which is on the second last. And once you click on it, you can see there's this option which is called don't allow apps. All you have to do is click it. And once you do this, you can see that my home screen or my other page right now does not have the apps. I can show it to you once again. I can allow all the apps, and you can see all these apps that I downloaded externally are here. But once I click on don't allow, they magically disappear. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.